We all want health and social care services that are there when we need them and which provide the best care and support. They can seem like massive, complicated machines, and we may feel that there is nothing we can do as members of the public to influence them. However, there has never been a more important time to have your say, as services face many challenges. They must be designed around the people who use them. You must be central in its decisions, as you are the one living with the long-term condition. This desire to have strong public involvement in our services is something the Scottish Government fully supports. A major emphasis in services and policy is about seeing the patient at the centre of services. Various policies outline the right for the public to be fully involved as partners, but also about the value of that involvement to all partners. Voices Scotland offers free training and support to ensure that people feel knowledgeable and confident partners in discussions and debates. Over the years, we have developed an excellent reputation. Voices Scotland is described by the Chief Medical Officer as the gold standard in patient and carer involvement. The workshop is delivered in small groups using methods that encourage discussion and debate. The aim is to make the session useful while still being enjoyable. We want to be as accessible as possible to everyone. We have therefore devised sessions that are suitable for people who may have some communication difficulties, such as after a stroke. A key aspect of the workshop is that we always deliver it in a way to suit the local needs. Let's hear now from Richard, who has been supported by the Voices Scotland programme.
Some time ago I was invited onto a course called Chest Voices. It was organised by Chest, Heart and Stroke Scotland, and basically I learned from it how the NHS is structured in Lothian and Scotland in general, and what the tiers of management are, so that if I had any concerns, positive or negative, I was taught to construct those in a way that could give positive or negative criticism. I've been involved in a number of things over the past few years. The main thing has been helping with the support group for bronchiectasis. But I've attended a number of courses that Chest, Heart and Stroke Scotland have set up. I've been on a number of focus groups, for example, involved with the group on Edinburgh University nursing students curriculum and Queen Margaret University students curriculum, on the Patients Charter. We were involved there and gave quite a bit of feedback on the development of that. And most recently I was on a focus group with the advanced stages of lung and heart conditions.
What you have just heard from Richard demonstrates the variety of ways you can get involved and how Voices training helped him become more effective in this involvement. One of the other courses Richard has attended was a cosmic workshop, Champions of Self-Management in Care. With Scotland's population living longer but with more health problems, there is a recognised need for promoting partnership at a clinical level through self-management. This helps people take control over their own lives and conditions. Services want to be able to support people with long-term conditions efficiently and effectively to maximise their health, but also to reduce reliance on health and social care services. A cosmic workshop aims to support and promote this agenda. The session includes helping you understand the broad range of what constitutes self-management, the role of the champion, the various models of self-management and the range of support available to help people self-manage. It will also give you the skills and confidence to make your voice heard and feel able to raise awareness of how encouraging people to manage their own condition can benefit Scotland's people and services. The Cosmic Workshop resources are available free to other organisations to adapt to their own needs. They are available to download from the Cosmic Resources website. The Scottish Health Council have endorsed the Cosmic Resources as useful for anyone interested in involving patients or the public. It is a practical, participative training that uses plain English and makes learning fun. For more information on coming to an event in your area or hosting a Voices Scotland workshop, don't hesitate to contact us.